Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to be discussing about the seller's product activation and deactivation process. So this is our my products page, and in this page we can see that some products are marked as inactive or they are deactivated. So the ones which are checked as blue are deactivated. So we have two modules deactivated, HTCU and iPhone 12. So I'm going to deactivate two more products, and let's see how they appear deactivated. So I'm going to select iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it says product deactivated, and the same for Samsung Galaxy S6. So now these deactivated products, it should be showing that it's deactivated in our database, which I'm going to show you next. So this is our database and we are in a status table. So the status ID1 is going to show as active. The status table's ID2 is going to display as inactive. So let's go to our product. So as we can see here, 4 products are deactivated. So the four products are HTCU, iPhone 12, iPhone 14 Pro Max, and Samsung Galaxy S6. So for these deactivated products, if we click make your product active, this status ID is going to change back to 1. So now we are going to be discussing how we make this process via coding. So this is my products page, which we have discussed before. So to this page we have added a variable product image result search, and here we are going to select the images where the product ID is the selected ID, and here we have our images. We search for all our images, and our images are going to echo here, and here we are going to move on to the part where how we are going to activate and deactivate our products. So we have it in the form of a checkbox, and our ID is FD PHP echo selected ID, and we've opened another PHP script again. If select the selected data with this status ID is 2, then we have, if it is checked, then we have opened PHP script and close another one, and then once we click it, either of those two, make your product make your product active or deactive, or click that checkbox, it's going to take us onto an on click function, change status, and within that status we have the ID. So in that we have a label class, and we are going to echo our selected data's IDs. So our status IDs are going to be displayed, and if our selected data status ID is equal to 2, then it's going to say make your product active. So this is what is going to be displayed on our screen, and elsewise it's going to echo make your product deactive. So let's move on to script JavaScript, where we have this function. So these are a function change status ID, and here we have introduced a variable product ID, and we are given it the name ID, and we've asked for a new XML HTTP request to be created, and that has the variable name R, and that R is going to open as a get request in change status process.php, and not only that, it's going to be taking our product ID as well. So this is set as true, and we are sending our form, and let's check our change status process.php. So here we have required a connection to our database, so that's why we have linked it using this require connection .php statement, and here we are getting our product ID, which is P, which is saved with the ID P, and our product result search variable. So this product result search variable is going to be selecting all from our product, where ID is the variable product, and if the product number or the value which we get from a research search, the number of rows is going to be known as the product number, and if the product number is 1, then the product data is going to be taken as from a product result search, and from here the status or the product data, the status ID of the product data. If that status is 1, then the database is going to have a insert update delete query saying update the product and set the status ID as 2, where the ID product and it's going to echo deactivated. If the status is 1, it's going to do the same, but here the status ID changes to 1, and it's going to activate and it's going to display activated. If not, if this doesn't happen, it's going to show something went wrong, please try again later on our screen. So moving back to our JavaScript, if it shows deactivated as a response text from a PHP program, we are going to have a small banner dropping down from our screen saying product deactivated, and our window location is going to reload. If it is activated, it's going to show product activated, and our screen is going to reload. Else, it's going to alert key, or this whole process is going to repeat until we get one of these two desired values, or unless something goes wrong on the PHP end. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.